Crafters, hold on to your glue guns. It's time to open bin number 31. My name is Stephanie and I own a secondhand art and craft supply store in Tampa Bay, Florida. And we recently purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. There are over 50 bins and we are opening them one bin at a time, checking out all of these treasures together. So far we have some acetate, some watercolor paper, some shiny paper, some lids, and a container. Oh, what is this? Wait, this is kind of cool. I'm actually about to teach a class making sun catchers, and I have been looking for some sort of like twicks or sticks to use. These would be great for that. We've also got a paper trimmer by Fiskars. That looks like a nice one. It extends. These are for hanging wreaths, I believe, but they like go over your door. You could really hang anything off of them if you want, but I've seen them used for wreaths in in the crafting world. Oh, a little Bob. Bob, what are you doing? Are you just hanging out in all of the bins? What the heck is this contraption? It's got a magnifying glass and like little clamps on the end. And it's pretty heavy. That is really cool. Very steampunk looking. I wonder what that was used for. Oh, this is all double-sided tape and foam tape. Comes in very handy. We've got some loose tools, some cord. Looks like register tape. Oh, I remember this. This was one of the organizers she used to hold all of her inks. She had a ton of inks, which we haven't even seen yet, so stay tuned for that bin. This is a Sizzix extended spacer platform. This will probably end up on our eBay shop. A lot of the Sizzix, older Sizzix stuff does really well on there. So if you're not local and you can't come to our store, you can shop our eBay. Ooh, this is a light tracer. I know people are always looking for these. I thought they were just for like art, like traditional art and drawing, but you could use them for diamond painting and all sorts of stuff. So I know that's gonna go quickly. And then we've got some little boxes here. Okay, this is a bead spinner. I am kind of familiar with how these work. Not exactly, but I know that they spin beads. It's in the name. I'm sure someone will be happy to find this. It definitely looks like it's a little older. 2007. Hey, made in Strongsville, Ohio. That's funny. I'm from Cleveland originally. Live in Florida now, of course. And this is some Victoria's silica gel for flower drying. A flower drying kit. Ooh, that's really fun. I wish I knew about this. I just had a bunch of flowers that, well, maybe I could still use them. I don't know. I have a bunch of flowers that are drying from a bouquet that I got. Easy to transform your favorite fresh flowers into beautiful, natural-looking, long-lasting preserved treasures. Very cool. Well, that was a really short, quick bin, so let me grab another because I'm not going to leave you hanging like that. Okay, so when we were packing her house, when we bought everything, we ran out of bins towards the end, so there was just a bunch of random stuff we carried out however we could. This is some of that. I just threw it into an empty bin, so we'll still consider this part of this bin, this original bin here. There is some snow roll, and I'm not quite sure what these are. We had set them aside for a friend who makes paper, but I don't know if they weren't what we thought they were or they just didn't use them, so they didn't want those. They passed on those. They were actually helping us pack all this up. You know what they're actually used for? Let me know. And then this box, I have no idea what it is. It's some sort of, I don't know, it looks like a tool of some sort. I don't think it's what the box says. The box says Glass Star Superstar 2 Universal Mini Table Grinding Head. Maybe that's what it is. Oh, okay. A Diamond Glass Grinder Manual Superstar 2 and Diamond Star. Even with that explanation, I have no idea what this does. This container has some ribbon. There is a cookbook, probably used to tear out pages for journaling and such. Some rope. This looks like it's all lace and trim. A little green moss ball. Some paper. This was probably just some random stuff that was sitting on the desk, or a container of stuff that we just kind of combined. There's some lights and some whiteout and whatever love that is. This is full of garland, bead garland. Those are really pretty. They're very shiny. There are some silver ones in here. some gold. Oh, some suede cord here snuck in. More garlands. More of those. There's some white ones in there and some silver and pearls. And this one is just seashells, which is kind of cool. We've seen a few already, not a ton though. I'm not sure what she used the shells for, but she definitely had a lot of florals and things as well. So maybe she just made just decor in general. Oh, there's a little sand dollar, but he's broken. More in here. Ooh, that one's kind of cool. Lots of fun shells. Wow, those are beautiful. These ones are like a little bit more translucent. Whoa, look at that variety in there. I used to make, I talk about this quite often, but I used to make hair accessories with seashells, like mermaid hair clips. I never really got into the crowns, but I wanted to. But I definitely used a lot of stuff like this. A few videos back, I inserted some photos of what I used to make if you want to go take a look. But yeah, there's a whole little bit of shells. I'm going to grab one more thing to show you. Okay, since this has been just a weird random bin, I grabbed another weird random bin. This one says glass etching and paper making. Oh, so it is for paper making. Okay, really cool. There's another one of those. This is a casting mold of a butterfly. How stinking cute. We have some paper making supplies. It looks like it's little, I don't know if you can tell how shiny they are. They're just like very shiny little specks. Here's another casting mold of a dragonfly. She definitely liked butterflies and dragonflies, which is cool because the butterflies are the symbol from my mom. If you missed the Q&A, definitely go check that out. That looks like felt. I have no idea what this is for, but it looks like oil with stickers stuck on it. Hopefully someone in the comments will know better than me, because I mean, I couldn't even guess. Obviously it has something to do with glass etching and paper making, probably glass etching, but that's about as much as I can tell from looking at it. Paper perfect accents. There's also these, which are what, embroidery hoops, I believe. There's a whole bunch in here. I don't know if this is still good, but there's some Armor Etch glass etching cream, 2 of those. Some sponges. Ooh, dried flowers, but it says add to paper perfect paint to create special effects. Huh. And then some dragonfly designs for etching. I know someone will be very excited to find these. And at the very bottom, and it looks like it's just, oh, it's just bits of paper. I guess you could use bits of old paper to make new paper. Someone help me. Someone help. Well, that'll do it for bin number 31. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.